Have you ever wondered what killed dinosaurs? Luis and Walter Alvarez in 1980 proposed that a meteor the size of mountains smashed the Earth 66 million years ago and filled the atmosphere with gases and debris that drastically altered the climate. Their theory is based on an evidence that there is an oddly high amount of the metal iridium in the Cretaceous Paleogene layer, which is the geological boundary zone that seemed to cap any known rock layers containing dinosaurs' fossils. Iridium is relatively rare in Earth crust, but is more abundant in stony meteoroids, which led the Alvarez to conclude that the mass extinction was caused by a space object. The Chicxulub crater is an impact crater buried underneath the Yucatan Peninsula in Mexico. It was formed when a large asteroid struck the Earth. The date of the impact matches precisely with the Cretaceous Paleogene layer, slightly more than 66 million years ago. In 2019, paleontologists in North Dakota found a stockpile of fossils extremely close to the Cretaceous Paleogene boundary, essentially capturing the remains of an entire ecosystem that existed shortly before the mass extinction. The fossils' bearing layers contain loads of tiny glass traces called tektites, which look like beads of melted rock that were probably solidified in the atmosphere and then rained over the Earth. One theory is that the volcanic eruption led to the mass extinction of dinosaurs. The Deccan Traps began forming 66 million years ago at the end of the Cretaceous period. Today, the resulting volcanic rocks cover nearly 200,000 square miles in layers that are in places more than 6,000 feet thick. Such a vast eruptive event would have filled the skies with carbon dioxide and other gases that would have severely changed Earth's climate. Some studies show that the Earth temperature was changing even before the extinction of dinos. Other research has found evidence for mass death much earlier than 66 million years ago, with some signs that dinosaurs in particular were already started declining in the late Cretaceous. Volcanic activity is frequent on this planet and is responsible for other ancient extinctions, while giant meteor strikes are much more rare. So this makes sense if the volcanic eruption may be the cause of mass extinction. It is also possible that the dinosaurs might be the receiver of a geological one-two punch, with volcanic eruption destabilizing the ecosystem enough to make them vulnerable to an incoming meteor. In 2019, two independent studies at the Deccan Traps lava gave two different conclusions, with one suggesting that volcanoes played a supporting role in dinosaurs' death by causing pre-impact declines, and the other saying the eruptions came after the major decline of dinosaurs and may have played only a small role in leading to their end. The causes of extinctions of dinosaurs is still debatable, and scientists are finding new clues and developing new techniques to understand the past. But whatever the reason is, the lesson is clear for us that how extreme the effects of the climate change can be for the inhabitants of the Earth.